Okay, so this is the bin, like actual to scale, made in Fusion 360. I know you guys are dissatisfied with the Tinkercad one, so I made the real thing, okay? So now you see, this is a disk, right? So this is this thing that spins. So when we move it, we're actually spinning this entire thing, right? So when we put a trash in, spins to this side, goes in there, spins to this side, goes in there. So like there's also going to be a duplicate of this wall on this side. And if you go on the bottom, let me just hide this. So if you go on the bottom, you see the stepper motor goes there. And then we have two gears. So this motor will make it go twice as fast, right? So yeah, the user just throws it in there, chucks it in, and then on the back here, we're gonna have a camera on top on this thing, pointing downwards, and then we're gonna have LED fixated on like these four corners, pointing inwards to make it bright, and then we're gonna cover this with a white material, so it's very clear. So in theory, this will give us a very good place to recognize what the item is, and the camera and everything's like fixed, right? So we'll know exactly where the trash is. And also when it spins, like you can see it perfectly covers the bottom, so there's no way it's gonna fall into like both. It must fall into like one or the other, right? So it's very very secure, very reliable system. Yeah, and also you see it's all like hollowed out, so it saves material. Yep, just like that. Goes to one side, goes to the other side. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, that's it. Pretty good.